Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Parvathi here from Paru's Craftology. Today we'll be making an art journal page. So this is keeping in mind this month's theme of glitters or festival or glam elements. So I am going with some glitters and glam. So to start off, I applied a coat of black gesso on my journal pages. Now to add some glam elements, I am using the resin pigments, the mica powders, and mixing them with clear glossy texture paste. So this actually gives us the colored texture or paste medium that can be used in multiple ways. Here I am using it to add texture to my page through a stencil. So I'll be using a couple of stencils here, and the first one I'm using here is the ripples one. I'm applying the paste in such a way that both the textures are kind of complementing each other. Once the texture paste is completely dry, it actually shows the real color of the pigments that we have added. Next one, again I've mixed some bits of antique gold shade with gloss texture paste, the clear gloss texture paste, and adding them to my page using another stencil. All the stencils used in this particular project are from Craftangles. Now I wanted to work with some washi tapes this time, because washi tapes are kind of very in these days, and I wanted to create one page wherein we are using a lot of washi tapes. So this would be a very good inspiration page for you guys if you are looking out on how to use them, because they are very pretty, right? But many a times we are stuck and keep thinking, how do I use it? I have been having these in my stash for like a long time, but I've not extensively used them. So I thought this would be a good opportunity for me to take them out and create something. And for this particular project, because we wanted some glitter and glam, I decided to use the foiled ones. So if you see, all these are foiled, gold foiled washi tapes and stickers. I'm just adding textures and layers, and basically adding more designs and patterns on my page using different designs of washi tapes. Now I wanted to add some more interest to the background, and for that I am using Craftangle stencil checkered, and adding some texture and color, basically using the patina effect paste, the metallic one. Um, a very unusual way, yes, to use the patina effect paste. I'm not sure if someone else also does this, but was a crazy try, and I kind of liked how it turned out, because I wanted it to be faded out yet a shiny, impactful background, and I got what I had intended. The next, we move on to transfer sheets. So I'm simply roughly cutting out the elements that I like from this particular sheet. The sheet name is Steampunk LA. I wanted to try something new, so I thought maybe I'll do it on a black cardstock instead of a white one and check if it works. But well, it was an epic fail. But I didn't want to remove that bit from this video, so that you guys also get to know that it doesn't work well with the dark cardstocks. So better use a lighter one, like white cardstock, or if you want a very faded look, maybe you can go with other lighter shades, but not the black ones, because it kind of overpowers the image and it doesn't show it out as much as you would want it. Now, again, another experiment that I'm doing here. Usually I use cardstocks to get my transfers done, but this time I'm using a normal A4 sheet, the thin ones, that 75 GSM ones, just to try if it works out, and because I didn't want my elements to be very thick, and it worked out quite beautifully, and I'm quite happy with it. And it actually gives you that like a very thin layer, like stickers. So I was quite happy about it. And next time, moving on to my composition, I am adding some die cut elements that I another fun fact while working on it, I kind of got reminded of, Squid Games, wherein their VIPs comes in and it's all glittery and glamoury and all gold out there. So do let me know if any of you guys also felt the same way, because I did. So let's see how many of you find some similarity there. Last but not the least, I'm using the metallic stickers from Tim Hall's ideology section and adding them to my journal page. I'm loving how this has turned out, and this is the completed project. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, please do like and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again, it's Parvathi signing off. Bye bye.